So the first idea would be to ltrace the program, and here we can trace for malloc and free calls, which are associated with the allocator in libc. And as the program starts, we see that the program mallocs a lot of chunks. So here we see it asks for 160 bytes, and this is the resulting address. Here, after that, 16 bytes, resulting address, 160 bytes, and so on. And this is more or less the user list that is created as the program starts. And as we poke around the program, for example, who am I? We see not logged in, and we try to log in, and we try to log in as Peter. We see that some malloc is also done in the background. This could be because the getPass function here also uses malloc. So let's create a new user here, Leonardo 555. And we also see that a new user is created, 160 bytes, as we have seen up here. 160 bytes, this could be the reserved space for this user structure, and the resulting address is created here. There are also some free calls in the program, so maybe in the processing there's something allocated and freed again. Maybe the password is freed again. Alright, so by using ltrace and by poking around the program, we can see what's happening in the background, and we can also try to get a gist out of those functions. As you maybe also attach a debugger here, so if we search for the potato program and attach to this program the GDB, with of course root access here, we see that this program is already traced. So we would need to close this ltrace here, and then we can switch to the tracing of the program. Let's start it here again with GDB, and as we run the program and list the users, we can Ctrl+C into the debugger. We see here sigint, so it's interrupted into a debugging session. And with heap chunks, we see all the different chunks allocated on the memory, and we also see the chunks for the different users. So as we have seen in the ltrace, those are the chunks that are allocated on the heap, and those are the structures we see on the heap. Of course, we can also examine the this chunk here. If we just paste the address in here and ask it, for example, for strings, we can scroll down with enter and try to make a gist out of it. But here we see some hash maybe, or some hexadecimal value, or here you see the home directory of the user. And if we scroll down, we also see the shell. So the structure here is in memory.